Okay, so we are back with another uncut version. Let's see, what was I doing? I think I was on the roof. What is this? So I just got in the office. Let me turn off this foundation plan. Okay. Let's go back. Roof plan, first floor. I think this is the overflow. And no, this is the storm drain, right? Yes, this is storm drain. So what I need to do, it looks like I need to, let's route the overflow, okay? And so the second level, let's look at the routing. Okay. I think that I'm gonna have the overflow a little bit to the south of the storm drain. Say, right? I'm gonna put it there. So my overflow, can I copy it? No, I don't want to copy that. I think I'm gonna go to my, let's go to the plumbing fixtures. Plumbing fixtures. And this is a roof drain. This is the overflow. That's the storm drain. I want this 4-inch overflow. Let's drag this guy over. I think I know what's getting ready to happen, but let's go through the exercise again, okay? So this little circle, this symbol is telling me that it doesn't know what to do, so I'm going to tell it what to do, right? So I want to put it on, do I want to put it on the face? The face is the face of an element, which is this guy. But I don't want to do that. I want to put it on the work plane, which is that guy. And it comes here. So I'll put it there. And I'm going to assign, let's see. Let's go back, make sure that that is an overflow. Okay, and because I think the route's going to be to the east, I'm going to rotate my section view, right? Let's rotate the section view clockwise. And here, let's go here. Just going to put it here and clockwise 90 degrees. And let's take a good look at this guy. Gonna narrow in our view and right click. Let's go to that section. Okay, so we got the same problem here. So what I need to do, because it's not on the roof, right? It's on this level. And I put it on the level. And what I'm gonna need to do is change the reference level. Or edit it. Revit says edit. So I'm going to click this guy and edit the work plane. Okay. Okay, so let's edit work plane. And because I know that the work plane has been assigned, I think it's this one. Yeah, it's roof 1 ref. And that is, you can get that from here. You go here and you can assign, like say if I do it here and I click it again, then I can put a name on it here. So let's undo that. But because it's already been assigned, I'm going to highlight this roof drain, overflow drain, and pick a new work plane, which will be the roof 1. Specify a new work plane, and it's going to drop down to roof 1 reference. Okay, so when I say okay, you'll see this roof drain go down to that level. Okay, so it drops down. Okay. So that's that. That's the reason it was above, because I put it on that work plane, and the work plane, it saw that level 32 top of parapet, right? Okay, so it looks like I got a beam to deal with. Let's go back to the roof and let's tighten this guy up. Yeah, it's pretty tight. So I know that there's a beam there, right? And I need to get under the beam. Let's make sure the slope is off and assign that pipe as a overflow drain. So we go here, PVC sanitary. That pipe type is going to change to PVC overflow drain. But the system, yeah, okay, and the system type changes also, right? Yes. Okay, so yeah, that looks good. Man. Am I gonna have any, let's see what the, let's look at the storm drain. What kind of issues did it have? Because we want to follow the same pattern or same route. Let's go back. So I'm including the storm drain. There's a reason I widened the section is more is wider, right? It's more narrow and wide, so I can get the other pipe. And let's look at that section and see what's going on. Okay, so yeah, it goes under. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. So can I undo? Nope. Can I? Yeah, okay. Let's go back. And this should be more narrow. Okay, that's good. Just guessing, guys, just guessing. You know, I like to see what happens. I like to throw my line out in the water to see if anything bites, right? Am I gonna, let's slope this. I'm gonna slope it here. And go here, and I think that's when I go north. So we go back, let's go back to the, let's go second level. Yeah, okay. And I need to go out just a little bit more. Let's go here and draw pipe slope, right? Down, and we'll go down here. I could tighten this up a little bit, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just because of what I'm doing, it's not a big deal. But you get the idea, right? Let's look at that section again. And this section should be here. Let's rotate counterclockwise 90 degrees. Here, 90. So we can look at what's going on. And we want to follow the pattern of the storm drain. Okay. Let's look here. Let's go back. Yeah, okay. So I guess we can I bring that down some? I'm not gonna do that. Can I? Yeah, I could. Okay, that's fine. And draw a pipe with no slope, even though it's vertical, but I don't know what REVIT's gonna do sometimes, so I'll just leave it alone. And that's going a little tighter so I don't get any of the... Am I gonna slope? Did I slope? Yeah, I should slope. Uh-oh. Gonna have to come down a little bit further because we need to get under that beam. And just to make sure that the beam is within our space, our working space, I'm gonna go back to the second level. Yeah. Go back to second level and see what kind of space we're working with. Make sure it's not out of view, because it could be over here, right? But I'm gonna tie it. Let's tighten it up a little bit. Okay. Yeah, it's still there. Okay, and that's good. You know, that's what we want to do. Go here. We got a slope. Yeah. And this is the overflow. So I'm gonna come out of the wall. Wall, I don't know, wall what, facade, I guess. You could call it that. And just come out here so that there's a splash or a spill on, make some kind of splash on the sidewalk or whatever they're going to do. But let's go to the first level and see what we got. Yeah, okay. So that's our overflow drain, and that is that's the storm drain. That's the overflow, okay? And we can look at it in just a little bit of a better light. I'm gonna go here and look at this roof plan, which is more or less looking at the entire building structure, and it's okay. So yeah, it can come down a little bit more. I think it should be like 12 inches off the floor or off the ground. So let's view and tab just so we can get a good look at it. Here, and section, just bring it down. Wow. Yeah, I think that's when we start to get into the foundation, right? Which I'm not going to worry about. Uh-oh, what happened there? Undo. So it should be, yeah, you see here, as we come down, it should be about right there. Okay. So there's some foundations that it's going through, but I'm not going to worry about that. Just because that's sloping, that's okay. Let's see, I'm going to do this. And just to be picky, I'm not going to slope it. Come out to about right there. And using my arrow keys, I'm coming down just a little bit and keep it there. Okay, so, and the foundation again, let's, I can look at this foundation. I think I'm going to make this one current and go back here. And let's look at the section. What section is 15? Is that 15? Yeah, 15. Section. And we right click on this cube and look at, we're orient to my section 15. Okay. So you see that's the foundation that I was referring to. You see how it's going through that foundation. But I'm not going to worry about it because they can, put some kind of sleeves in here and do whatever they need to do in order to make this work. I don't know, if they put holes in it, what kind of integrity is going to happen to the foundation, but that's just the way it is, Let's go back. I think that I'm going to stop here because let's go to the roof area. This guy. So, well, there's two more that I have to do. These two, this overflow and this storm drain. Okay. So that would take care of this entire roof structure, including this little planter area. And planter area, let's look at that section. Okay. And the planter area is this area, right? We come off the roof, and that's about, I don't know, let's look at a detail here, and it's about 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 feet, okay? So, I think that's going to be the next, what I'm going to have to do next. Okay, bring this down from the planter area to the the ground floor. Okay. All right. So, okay, I'm going to stop here, and I hope that helped, and I'll talk to you guys later.